I don't usually put stickers on my cars just because, I don't know, I'm afraid of commitment. Like the BN Sports, sure, that's, I don't know, that's like a proven look, classic look for the BN Sports kit. Put on the BN Sports logo on there. And like this, I don't know, this seemed more like I don't even know. This seemed more professional, more race car maybe. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's not like, like your typical slap. I don't usually put slaps on my cars. I love to collect them, but I just don't really see them on my cars. This one, on the other hand, I don't know. It's a little more goofy little car. So I got these from Never Content. Shout out Never Content. Got these a long time ago just because I thought they were cool. I like collecting them. I have a huge collection of stickers and slaps and peakers or whatever these are called. And I thought maybe, I don't know, slap them on this thing. I should really wash this thing. But my little cousin, he started his own little detail business. So I'll be having him detail this truck soon, probably tomorrow or the day after. And I'll probably do a little video for him about that. More. Never know. Okay. Probably should have watched the video. I've messed up some pretty cool stickers before. Just sending it like this. Trial and error. Okay. Alright. Where is that? Right there? There. Okay. Let's see if this will come off. Damn, I think I fucked it up already. Hold on. Hold on. I need to peel it more to expose the actual sticker. Yeah, I guess transfer tape gets old. I have some transfer tape on some vinyl stickers that I was making back in the day, and it doesn't stick that well anymore. I need to get new transfer tape for any future sticker making. Alright, so there we go. Expose the little ears. Oh, damn, this part's gonna be hard too, probably. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there, I think. Alright. Where was I? Oh yeah, right here. Just about there is fine. Alright, yep. Let's send it. Ears, start with the ears. Let's see. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I think the stars are gonna stay on the transfer, so I better be careful. Or maybe not, let's see. Okay. Ah, one of them did. Alright. Oof. Okay. It's gonna be tricky here. Okay. Not bad. I'll just remember where this one goes. Wait, how did I, yeah, like this. I'll see if I can, let's see. Okay. Cool. I'll just use a small edge here. Okay. And we'll just put it anywhere, I guess. Right there. Yeah. I think it's pretty even. You got a fold in there? Yep. What is that? I didn't even notice that. Come on. Semi-salvage. That'll be alright. Maybe I can get a heat gun and help that out later. Not bad. It's alright. Now to get my little Shiba peaker. I'm not sure what this is or what it says, but looks pretty cool. If I keep that there, so I'll probably just put this guy right here. This one should be easier. Should be. But we'll see if I don't mess this one up too. As soon as I stopped recording, the freaking sticker flew down in there. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Found this. I don't know what this is, but it should help. Actually didn't. Maybe. Looks like I need a bigger stick. Story of my life. It's getting stuck to the bed liner. Have you ever tried to pick up a flat piece of paper on concrete? It just sticks to it. It's almost like that. There we go. I'm gonna clean the sticker too, just in case, or the transfer tape, just in case. You never know. All right. Thanks, stick. Let's peel this sucker back. Wait, where do I want it again? Here. All right. Maybe I should start on the side. Let's see. Okay. Suppose a good part of it there. Kind of close to that guy. All right there. All right, we're flat up against this steel. We're gonna start her off. Okay. Where's my thing? My squeegee. Oh, this is like textured. I'm gonna have to use this end of it. Okay. All right. Oh no! No, not my JDM sticker. Son of a... Damn. Well, if anyone can help me source another one of these, that'd be pretty great, because that is ruined. One step forward, 2 steps backwards. Story of my life, once again. Well, they look pretty cool, though. Not bad.